Hi guys, I just wanted to pop in real quick and give you a little bit of news. I just got home from Dallas last night from the Fluid Art Experience. It was a blast. It was so nice to meet so many of you. Thank you all for taking my classes, and I really look forward to the next one in Seattle, Washington. It will be April 27th through the 29th. You can get tickets right now on the fluidartexperience.com website. So head on over there. We wanted to give you guys enough time to be able to plan for this event, so we wanted to announce it early. So head over to that website if you're interested, and I'd love to see you guys there. So the other thing is that when I shot this video, I only had 4 of the new TLP colors. So I wanted to show you the other ones. So the ones that I had were the, let's see, the Purple Rain, Violet Rain, I don't know why I keep saying that, Deja Vu, and Bellini. These are the ones that I used in this video. Another one, new one, is Rosé. And then I got these 3 in the mail the day before I left for Dallas, so I didn't get to play with these ones at all. So this is, I don't know. It's that. I can't say the word. Pre-night. It's a really pretty, like, almost like a sage green. Shimmer, the Waterfall, which is really pretty blue, and Honeycomb. So these are the ones that I have not gotten to play with. Just so you know, this Deja Vu it's an opaque color and it does not have shimmer to it. So just so you guys are aware of that, the rest do. So I'm gonna let you guys check out this video. This is the painting that I'm gonna be doing, and I really hope you guys like the results, and I will let you guys watch now. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm Tara with Pieces of Tara Artistry. Thank you for joining me. Today I am doing a color reveal for the new TLP colors coming out soon. This is Deja Vu. It's a really pretty pink. We have Violet Rain and then Bellini. The Deja Vu is a matte or an opaque color. The others are semi-transparent. I am going to be doing a pearl pour with the Dutch pour through. So these are my recipes for the colored pearls and the white pearls. I use the colored pearl recipe with the silver from Deco Art, and the white is just my regular white pearl cell recipes. So those are also in the description box. Otherwise, just take a quick screenshot of those recipes and you should be good. So when I usually do like a color split like this, I like to kind of tilt back and forth, side to side first, my base coat, so I don't lose all the colors off my ends. And I'm not sure if you noticed, but I did forget to prep my edges ahead of time, so I did go ahead and do that. I used the silver to prep. Now this is my Dutch pour, puddle paint, pour over color recipes. So this here is my puddle or pour over paint that was the Modern Masters Gold. This is the Modern Masters Champagne, and the Modern Masters Gold. So these are the only metallic colors that I have found that will pearl, which means that base coat, that pearl recipe will pop through these colors, and these colors will sink to cause that pearl cloudy, lacy look. So most other metallics will not work as a pour over. They will work as a base coat. So you see I did do a silver base. So I will get silver pearls that will pop through this gold champagne. And I'll get still, there will be kind of some white slash silver pearls you'll see pop through. But yeah, these are basically the only colors that metallics that I've found that will pearl. And you can see on the edge, the bottom edge there, the pearls are starting to pop through. And once I start seeing those pearls pop through, I will try and tilt back towards center because you want pearls on the other side too. So if you don't do that, you end up with really wonky pearls, which I'm not a fan of the wonky pearls. So I try and quickly get as much paint off as I possibly can, and then I bring it back to center because I want pearls on both sides. So I've had so many questions about the pearl technique that I think that I am soon going to come out with a very comprehensive pearl tutorial because I still get, even though I have a lot of tutorials, I have paint mixing tutorials, I still have people asking a lot of times, like, what is making the cells? What's making the pearls? How is that happening? So I'm going to be doing a comprehensive video coming out in the next probably month or so. I'm going to get all my notes together. And if you guys have questions, so this is the time now that if you have questions that you want me to address, please leave them in the comments. Or questions that maybe you're able to get pearls now, but questions that you had at the beginning that maybe could be helpful to other people. I've been pearling for a long time, so I sometimes forget what it's like to be a beginner with the pearls. So please leave those in the description box or email me those questions, or if you have questions, please do that because I would really like to help as many people as possible. So now I waited about, I'm going to say 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, let the pearls kind of start popping through. And then now I am adding in my lines of color for the Dutch pour portion. So I usually wait to see how long or how the pearls are going to develop before I start blowing out the Dutch pour part, because I want to see if there's like a lot of negative space. Like you saw that there was a kind of a lot of gold left over there on that side. So I wanted to place the Dutch pour part kind of away from in that part and kind of away from the pearls that I really liked. So that's what I ended up doing. And my Dutch pours are not like petals. I do more of a feathery Dutch pour. So it is different than, say, maybe Canela or some others do their Dutch pours. But yeah, that's okay. We all do things differently, and that's just fine. So I use those new TLP colors, that Bellini and the Deja Vu and that Violet Rain, which that is probably one of my new favorite colors from TLP. It is really, really pretty. And I'm not a huge purple fan, but I do love that purple. Now the Deja Vu will dry a little bit darker than it appears here. So I will show you the dried results. And that line in the middle too, you see there's a distinction between the Bellini and the gold when it's wet. But when it's dry, that Bellini is kind of a goldy color. So it kind of, it mimics almost that gold, which I'm not mad about. It's really, really pretty. So you can see there's the gold on the right and the Bellini on the left of that line. So you'll see in the dry results how that is different. So there's my wet results, guys. And here are the dry results. You can see everything kind of dried a little bit darker, but you see that Bellini there on that right side. Sorry, I'm kind of away from it now, showing the pearls. The pearls turned out really pretty. I love that I have bigger pearls in the middle and then more of that lacing, smaller lacing. So see that gold on the right and the Bellini on the left is pretty similar in those lines. That Bellini almost gives a little bit more of a shimmer to it, which, yeah, it's so, so pretty. You see that the Purple Rain there, the Deja Vu in that right side in those cells. So yeah, this was a really good color combination. I really liked it. I'm really pleased with this painting. So you guys got to let me know what you think. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.